We are back to Weston Hill Country Club again. Today is another waterfront home I want to introducing to you. Why I keep bringing you back to the Weston Hill Country Club? Because it is the community people want to get in. This is a subdivision I'm going to show you today. Huntington Point in both sides, a lake in the middle, a playground. In each subdivision they have playground, basketball court. The one, if you watching my previous video, you will notice the palm tree, the both side sidewalk make it luxurious and prestige. Average home here from 1.5 all the way to 2 million. We're gonna make a left turn here. One thing I don't like is each house is too close. Right? You never have the land like the Davy does. Most of the Davy home normally sitting in 1 acre, ranch style. And this land, Weston, the land is too expensive. That's why they build a home like that. Mostly it's 2-story, save the land. Very few is 1-story. Today, we're lucky enough to show you, to give you a tour for 1-story home, fully renovated on the lake. Here we go. Let's go. Weston Hill Country Club. Today, we're touring a 1-story, very unique waterfront home. Fully renovated. Roof inside out. You don't need to do a thing. And you will see everything I show you through this video. Outside you will see new painting, new roof, hurricane improved window and the doors, new landscaping. This is not new one. This palm tree. 2, you're 3. Let's go. You are enter an open space, fully renovated 1-story home. Your formal living, dining area. And this is the focal point of your home. Fully renovate, brand new from appliance to cabinet, kitchen. Imagine yourself. It creates space for the pantry. So many storage, brand new, not even used. You have wine. This is a must nowadays. And this one, look this one. Guess what is this? Your outlet. USB and a power. If you don't use it, you let them go down. You can see it. See that? You not only have one, you have here, here, and right there. Digital oven. Tell you when your food is ready. More storage. Power outlet. We walk in this front door. Let's move to your bedroom area. That's all your living. First, you have a full bathroom right here. All renovated. Brand new. We go to the master, the last. So make a right turn right here. You have another full renovated bathroom. This is your first bedroom. You're facing the entrance. So if you don't need this one in the bedroom, you can do as your office. Your laundry, brand new, obviously. Washing the dry, everything changed, even the doors changing, everything. 2-car garage, and a new water heater. This is the second bedroom. Little small. Air condition, one air condition right here, brand new. Let's go back a little bit. Brand new air condition. So everything's new. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to do anything, nothing. So 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, you already see it. Now, is your master. Facing the lake. You have a king size bed right here. Everything here is staging. Renovated closet, fully renovated. Linen closet. No, sorry. It's another closet, 2. This one is much bigger. Now, I like this. Linen, your linen closet. 2 vanity. And your I like the tone. I like the black. I like the gold. This is good. Very good upgrade. I love it. Not a huge house. And if it's a 4-bedroom is enough or 3-bedroom is enough for you, this is perfect. You don't need a touch thing, bring your toothbrush. You will have this beautiful Weston Hill Country Club home. Let's walk outside. You have a covered patio, room for a swimming pool if you want one. Covered patio is huge. Just like your neighbor, you can do a swimming pool right there. This is your water view. Quiet. It's a weekend morning. Enjoy. That's outside. Look inside. The window need to clean. And this one is your master bedrooms, windows, and a bath. All right. I leave you guys on this beautiful, completely renovate Weston Hill Country Club home. Reach out. Let's make your move. Make your move. Howard Zoe from Coldwell Banker. Always my pleasure to bring you to every single unique home in here, Weston or Davie. Thank you for watching always.